Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make banana bread with ripe plantain. Yes, so I'm using 3 ripe plantain, and as you can see, they are really ripe. They are starting to change color. You want to make sure that your plantain is really ripe, okay? And this is my ripe banana, and you can see also it is changing color. That means they're really soft, and this is exactly how you want it. And I'm using 3 also, 3 of each. Guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends. So these are my other ingredients. Here I have 1 cup of soft brown sugar. I also have ½ teaspoon of nutmeg and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Butter, at least ½ cup of butter, and 2 eggs. Okay, yes. So guys, now I'm gonna add my butter to my glass bowl right here. You want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. So it's nice and soft. And I'm also gonna add my sugar. So now I'm gonna take my hand mixer and mix it all in. And if you don't have a hand mixer, guys, you can always use a fork, okay? Or even a wooden spoon. It is totally optional, but obviously it's faster. So I'm gonna start off by low. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove all the peel from my banana and from my plantain and just add it all to my bowl right here. So now that I remove it all from the peel, I'm gonna take my potato masher and smash it down, okay? So this is one of the reasons why you want it to be soft. So when it's mashing down, it mashes properly. And guys, what I normally do, sometimes I normally add some vanilla to my banana and my plantain also. And it's just gonna add, more flavor. Yeah. You wanna make sure that it is all pressed down. And I add 1 teaspoon of my vanilla, okay? So that's done. So guys, this is my flour right here, and I'm using self-raising flour, okay? And this is at least 3 cups. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my cinnamon powder, my nutmeg, and my salt. So this is my dry ingredients. Make sure that everything is all combined. Just like so. So now I'm gonna add my egg onto my mixture, and I'm just adding 1 at a time. Look at that, nice and fluffy. So now I'm gonna add my banana and my plantain mixture. And I'm gonna add my dry ingredients. Just take your time. Last but not the least, I'm gonna add my vanilla. Yeah, so this is what it's look like, guys. If it's too thick, you can always add, you know, just a bit of water just to loosen it up. But this is perfect. This is my baking pan right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some butter, okay? So it doesn't stick. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. Look at all that goodness. So guys, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least, I'm not sure as yet, but I will definitely let you guys know. The last time I baked one and it take like 1 hour, but I will let you guys know, okay? And 150 to 180 degree Celsius. So in the oven it goes. And guys, make sure that you preheated your oven, okay, before you add it. Yes, I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to see the result. Perfectly done. So guys, my banana and plantain bread is all finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it out for it to cool. So I'm just gonna add a cloth right here at the bottom. I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. I cannot wait to cut in it for you guys. I'm just gonna leave it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour so it cool. Okay, it look amazing, so good. So guys, if you want to know if your banana bread is finished, what you can do is poke a toothpick in the middle of it, and once it come out dry, you know say ready, right? So as you can see, mine's come out dry, it's not wet, so it is ready. And as I said, just allow it to cool for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm adding some milk butter and my banana plantain bread, just to, you know, just to give it a nice sheen. It is totally optional. So I just melt the butter first. So guys, my banana plantain bread is just a bit cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove it from the tin. Like so. Look at that. It come out nicely. So now I'm gonna cut into it. So guys, my banana and plantain bread is all finished, and I'm telling you, I just cut into it and taste it, and it is absolutely delicious. My kids enjoy it so much. If you try this recipe, guys, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.